64 gigabytes of RAM. 1 Mac Pro, late 2013.
Hi guys, today I want to talk about my experience with the RAM upgrade of a Mac Pro late 2013. Not to the full depth, because it's super easy as you can see. You just need to press the RAM slot button with a white triangle and pull the old modules. And as you can see, they have the nice Apple Touch being black on the side visible to the end user. My modules from Samsung are greenish on both sides. So let me show you the kind of modules I took. Oh, actually, I will put the full description down in the comments. So the only thing you need to be careful about is the notch on the modules. It has to be aligned with the slot itself. Most likely you will be interested in the Geekbench results. So I've recorded it 2 times and put it in this split screen. On top you can see 64 and at the bottom it's 16 gigabytes. So let it run through, and the results for 64 gigabytes are roughly 30,600 and 29,800 for 16 gigabytes. Cinebench didn't care about the additional RAM. So, thanks for watching. Peace.